On Samsung Galaxy S5 you can add pic until 7x, and you can set home screen. To change home screen, for example, you want to change this pic as home screen, pick the screen, pinch the screen and tap home icon. This pic set as home screen, and when you press home button, you go to home screen. Thanks for watching.